watch me give the shirt I made for Hiccup and Toothless. I drew and designed this shirt a few months ago. I did not know that I would be coming here. My parents surprised me with a trip to Berk at Epic Universe, so of course I had to make them wear shirts too. I also brought these stickers that I made to give to Hiccup and other characters in the park. Then we found him, and then we had to wait like 2 hours in line. Then he went away, and then came back out at the last second! I was so scared we weren't gonna see him. And I showed him the shirt I was wearing, and he really liked it. And I gave him his own. Toothless also really liked it. I also, of course, gave him a sticker, which he tried to put on Toothless, then one for Gobber, and one for Astrid when I ran into her and Hiccup the next day. Hiccup recognized me and he told me to walk with them, but I was just a little starstruck, so I didn't know what to say, but I was having a great time. This is like the best day of my life.